WhatsApp has just been updated with a ton of new features which you may not know about. You can now edit your sent messages, lock your chats, generate AI stickers, send video notes, and much more. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and without any further delay, let's dive in. WhatsApp now allows you to edit messages that you've sent. So this is great if you've made a typo and you would like to correct that message. You don't need to delete the whole message and resend it. So if I have misspelled the word movies, as you can see over here, all I need to do is tap and hold, click on the three dots, click on edit, and you can just edit the word and click send. So when you do that, you can see over here it shows the word edited, and on this as well. So this is great because you don't need to delete the whole message and resend it. You can just edit your message. But there's a catch over here. You can only edit messages up to 15 minutes once you've sent them. Beyond that, it won't allow you to edit those messages. Now coming to the next feature, you can now lock your chat. So when you're in a chat, just click on the name and scroll down. You'll be able to see over here, chat lock. Click on that. Lock this chat with fingerprint, and on the iPhone, it will lock it with Face ID. So click on this and put your fingerprint. It now says that the chat is locked. You can view it. So once you lock your chat, as you can see the name over here, if you go to the main page, your chat will disappear from here. But when you scroll down, you'll see that there's a locked chats over here. When you click on that, you'll be able to, and you authenticate, you'll be able to see all your locked chats over here. So this is a really nifty feature. Instant video messaging is now available on WhatsApp. To enable this, go back into your settings, then come to chats and make sure that you turn on instant video message. So when you have that feature turned on, if you go into a chat, and you tap on the mic icon, you can see that it changes to video camera mode. You can tap and hold and lift it, and now you'll be able to record yourself in a video, and once you tap on stop, you'll be able to send it. So this is really cool because you can send video messages and it'll be something like this. This is a really cool feature which can replace voice notes. The other new feature is if you want to find all your unread messages, just click on search, and here you'll be able to see there's an unread tab. So when you click on that, all your unread messages show up over here, and when you click on them and go back, it disappears from here. Another really cool feature is if you tap on attachments, you'll see there's a poll option over here. You can have a lot of fun with this poll options, especially in group chats. So you can enter a poll and you can ask a question like, which movie would you like to watch? Avengers or Barbie? And you can send this. So once you send this poll, others can reply by tapping on the option, and you can see who's voted for what. They can even tap on both. You can allow that multiple choice option, or you can disable it as well. This is really cool and people are going to have a lot of fun with this option. So this is a great new feature addition. AI is everywhere and it's soon coming to WhatsApp as well. It's currently in beta mode. You'll be able to generate AI stickers. So if you go into the emoji section and you come to stickers, there'll be a new create option over here. And once you click on that, you'll be able to type anything that you want. Like if you type a pig jumping on a trampoline, it'll generate that sticker and give it to you, which is really cool. You can even generate artwork in your messages. These features will all be released in the next version of WhatsApp, and it's currently in beta. I'm really excited and looking forward to these features. Another great new addition to WhatsApp is now you can send images and videos in HD quality. We all know that when we send images or videos on WhatsApp, it reduces the quality drastically, but that's no longer the case. So let me show you how to do that. If you click a photo, or you select an image from your gallery, you'll be able to see an HD button on top over here. When you click on the HD button, it gives you an option of photo quality, either standard or HD. And when you select HD and send it, and this will send much better images and video to all your friends and family. Selecting HD on videos also has a better quality, and this is great in my opinion. Now let's talk about groups on WhatsApp. Groups can either be great or it can be annoying as well, because people add you to different groups and when you leave them, they either get insulted or feel hurt. But now you can exit a group without anyone knowing it, except for the admin of course. This is really nifty and this is great. Lastly, let's talk about the new updates tab. When you click on updates, you'll now see channels over here. You can follow celebrities, news channels, etc. from here. The list is vast and you can even create your own channel. So let's say if you follow a news channel and you click on follow, all the updates will come over here. And when you come to the main page over here, all your channels will push their updates over here. And you can click on them, you can see all the new updates that they've mentioned. And this is also an interesting addition to WhatsApp. Finally, after so many years, WhatsApp keeps getting better and better, and there's still so many new features coming up. So make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also comment so that you don't miss out on the future updates. See you in the next one.